Are you a fan of jelly? Me too! And look at this gorgeous edible flower jelly cake. Wow. All you need is 2 teaspoons of agar powder, 100 grams of sugar. Mix them together with 600 millilitres of water and heat them gently on the stove, mixing all the while. We're going to pour some of that mixture into a jug, 250 millilitres to be precise, and add 100 millilitres of milk. Stir it all together. Now we get our clear agar and fill a donut-shaped cake mould a third of the way. Time to place your edible flowers. Placing them upside down, because we're going to turn our jelly cake over once it's set. A beautiful array of colours here. Use as few or as many as you like. This is going to look absolutely fantastic when it's ready, because you'll see all those gorgeous array of colours through the clear jelly. Add some more clear agar on top. Don't quite fill it yet though. Now leave that to chill until it sets. Once it's set, you can pour on your white agar, almost filling it to the top, but not quite. And then chill it again. Once it's ready, you can turn it upside down on a plate, give it a tap, and Bob's your uncle. There you have a beautiful edible flower jelly cake. Well, that is rather special, isn't it? Where's the ice cream? Get ready for this fantastic edible flower cake in the shape of a heart. Oh. All you need is a basic sponge cake, vanilla cake. You can cut it into a heart shape using a giant cutter or just your own expertise. We're going to layer this cake with pink buttercream icing. Then coat the entire outside with light purple buttercream icing, so it's very, very girly. Pipe it on the top. And then smooth it out. Nice and smooth, ready to decorate. Now we're going to pipe some pink buttercream icing along the bottom. A nice subtle contrast with the purple background. There we go. Let's do some white above that, using a serrated edge nozzle this time to give it a little bit of a frilly effect. Brilliant, keeping in with that girly theme. Now let's do the top. Pink around the edge. A larger serrated edge nozzle this time. We're creating a kind of shell-like effect. Look at that. White again on the inside. Of course, you can choose any colours you like if you don't want it to be as girly as this. Now time to decorate with some edible flowers, using a pair of tweezers to very carefully place them as you like around and on top of your cake. And you can use the buttercream icing as a kind of glue to stick them into. We're using yellow and white and orange colours here, a little bit of pink and purple too. Go as bright as you like. Some leaves. And if you prefer, you can use sprinkles, pearl sprinkles, multicoloured, chocolates, anything that you like. And there we have it. Fantastic. Ready for your loved ones to dig into. They're going to love this. Have you ever wondered how to make a donut beautiful? Well, we're going to show you right now with these edible flower donuts. They are beautiful and simple to make. You could just get a pre-made donut and cut it in half. We're using a simply glazed donut here. Now on the top half, we are going to pour on some royal icing. We're using pink colour. Cover it completely, let it drip, and then leave it to chill. Meanwhile, get the bottom half of the donut and pipe on some buttercream icing. We're using purple. Then once it's set, place the top half back on. Time to decorate with your edible flowers. Edible pearl and sprinkles. Finishing touches. There. Brilliant! And there you have it. Super simple to make and beautiful too. Bored with the same old cookies? Well, why not make them interesting and beautiful by using chocolate and edible flowers? Just melt some chocolate buttons or chocolate of your choice and then dip your cookie so it covers half of it or a little segment. There you go. You could do the same with chocolate cookies by dipping them in melted white chocolate or icing if you'd prefer. Now we can stick on our edible flowers. You can use these beautiful flowers or fondant flowers, even flower sprinkles. These do look absolutely stunning. Be creative and use whatever decorations you like, and these plain and simple cookies are sure to look absolutely fantastic. Wow, look at that! You see, the difference is in the detail.